Mwari wangu, you see me. I was walking through the valley, shadows all around. Every door was closing, pasina mukova. But in the silence, I heard your gentle call. Mukanditi, my child, I've been here through it all. When my strength was gone, you carried me. When I lost my way, you covered me. You never let go, never let go. Even in the storm, you held my soul. Hamundisiye, handisindega, muneni baba, nguva zose. You never let go, never let go. Your love is the fire that saves my soul. Vamba murima, gichitira upenyu, moyo wangu wakazara nemarwadzo ese. But you, Father, lifted me higher. Mukati mekutambudzika, makandichengeta. When I cried at night, makanzwa izwi rangu. When I fell apart, makandisimudza.